Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best PC cases that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. NZXT H7 Flow. Meet the NZXT H7 Flow 2026, a clean and modern mid-tower ATX airflow case built for gamers and high-performance PC builds. It comes with 3 pre-installed 120mm fans and optimized airflow for powerful cooling performance. At just $69.99, the H7 Flow 2024 delivers excellent value with premium airflow design, GPU-focused cooling support, and impressive cable management usually found in more expensive cases. Supports ATX motherboards and large gaming components. Includes 3 pre-installed 120mm fans for strong airflow right out of the box. Dedicated bottom fan support helps cool modern GPUs efficiently. Spacious interior for high-end gaming builds. Clean cable management system for a tidy setup. Tempered minimalist white design looks modern and premium. Excellent airflow-focused front panel for lower temperatures. Bottom-mounted PSU design improves internal organization. Pros: excellent airflow and cooling performance. Great GPU cooling support with bottom fans. Clean and premium-looking white design. Easy cable management for beginners and enthusiasts. Strong value for the price. Cons: no RGB fans included. Fans are decent but not ultra-premium. Large size may take more desk space. Overall, the NZXT H7 Flow 2026 is a fantastic airflow-focused PC case for gamers who want strong cooling, clean aesthetics, and solid value without overspending. Number 4. Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack. Introducing the Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack, a unique fully modular mid-tower PC case designed for customizable builds, compact efficiency, and powerful cooling support in a stylish black design. Priced at only $63.99, the Qube 500 Flatpack offers impressive flexibility, ATX motherboard support, and modular customization at a budget-friendly price. Fully modular flatpack design for easy transport and customization. Supports ATX and even eATX motherboards. Includes 1 pre-installed 120mm rear fan. Compatible with dual 280mm radiators for strong liquid cooling setups. Vertical GPU mount support for showcase gaming builds. Tempered glass side panel for premium aesthetics. Compact footprint while still supporting high-end hardware. Rear-mounted PSU layout improves internal airflow flexibility. Excellent customization options for DIY PC enthusiasts. Pros: highly modular and customizable design. Supports large components despite compact size. Great airflow and radiator compatibility. Unique flatpack concept for easier transport. Excellent value for custom PC builders. Cons: only 1 fan included out of the box. Assembly can take longer for beginners. Cable management requires extra planning. Overall, the Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack is an excellent choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts who want a flexible, space-efficient, and highly customizable case at an affordable price. Number 3. InWin A3-mATX. Introducing the InWin A3-mATX IWCSA3BLK1AM120S, a sleek and compact gaming chassis designed for stylish MicroATX and Mini ATX builds, featuring tempered glass and built-in ARGB lighting for a premium gaming setup. At $131.99, the InWin A3 sits in the premium compact case category, offering strong build quality, modern aesthetics, and support for both air and water cooling. Compact MicroATX tower with premium minimalist design. Built-in 120mm ARGB fan for stylish RGB lighting effects. Tempered glass side panel to showcase components. Supports both air cooling and water cooling setups. Rear-mounted PSU design for optimized internal layout. Excellent airflow design for compact gaming builds. Supports Mini ATX and MicroATX motherboard configurations. Clean black finish with modern gaming aesthetics. Compact footprint ideal for desk setups with limited space. Pros: Premium compact design with tempered glass. ARGB lighting included out of the box. Good airflow for a smaller chassis. Supports liquid cooling despite compact size. Excellent build quality and modern aesthetics. Cons. Higher price compared to many MicroATX cases. Limited internal space for very large GPUs. Cable management can be tighter in compact builds. Overall, the InWin A3 is a stylish premium compact gaming case perfect for users who want a clean-looking setup with RGB lighting, efficient cooling, and small form factor performance. Number 2. Thermaltake View 270 Plus TG ARGB Snow. Introducing the Thermaltake View 270 Plus TG ARGB Snow, a stylish white gaming case featuring dual tempered glass panels, built-in ARGB fans, and strong cooling support for high-performance gaming setups. At just $69.99, the View 270 Plus TG ARGB Snow offers excellent value with premium looks, ATX motherboard support, and 3 included ARGB fans right out of the box. Supports ATX, ATX, MicroATX, and Mini-ATX motherboards. Includes 3 pre-installed 120mm ARGB fans for vibrant lighting and airflow. Front and side dual tempered glass panels for showcase-style builds. Supports up to 360mm radiators for advanced liquid cooling setups. Spacious interior for large GPUs and high-end components. Clean white Snow Edition design with premium gaming aesthetics. Bottom-mounted PSU layout improves cable organization. Excellent airflow design for gaming and workstation builds. Backed by a 3-year warranty for added reliability. Pros. Beautiful dual-tempered glass showcase design. Includes 3 ARGB fans for strong airflow and RGB effects. Great radiator and cooling support. Excellent value for the price. Spacious interior for high-end gaming builds. Cons. White finish may require more cleaning over time. Tempered glass panels add extra weight. Airflow is good, but fully mesh front cases may cool slightly better. Overall, the Thermaltake View 270 Plus TG ARGB Snow is a fantastic budget-friendly showcase case that combines premium aesthetics, RGB lighting, and strong cooling support for modern gaming PCs. Number 1. Lian Li A3-mATX. Meet the Lian Li A3-mATX 26.3 A3X.US, a compact, premium modular chassis designed in collaboration with Dan cases, built for high-end MATX and ITX gaming builds. At $89.99, this case sits in the premium compact segment, offering high flexibility, strong radiator support, and a minimalist design focused on performance builds. 26.3 L compact form factor for space-saving builds. Supports MicroATX and Mini-ATX motherboards. Flexible PSU mounting, frontways installation design. Supports up to 360mm AIO liquid cooling. Modular internal layout for custom build configurations. Alloy steel construction for durability and rigidity. Clean minimalist black design ideal for stealth or performance setups. Optimized for airflow-focused or liquid-cooled compact PCs. Collaboration design with Dan for efficiency-focused layout engineering. No pre-installed fans, full customization freedom. Pros. Extremely flexible modular design. Excellent support for 360mm AIO in compact size. Premium build quality and materials. Clean, minimal aesthetic perfect for custom builds. Great airflow potential when fully configured. Cons. No fans included, extra cost required. Building experience can be challenging for beginners. Premium price for a small case. If you're planning a compact high-performance PC build, the Lian Li A3 is a top-tier choice. Check the product link in the description for pricing and details. Like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more PC case breakdowns.